So let's move on to our next topic, IBM I database concept. See, this IBM I operating system is unique in the way it handles data. Unlike other systems which require additional costly software to provide them with database capabilities, IBM I was designed with database applications in mind, and the database is tightly integrated into the operating system. This operating system automatically treats all data files as part of a large relational database system. One consequence of this approach is that all data files must be defined to the system independently of an application program. Now, how to define database files? You can define these files to the system either at a record level, that is not divided into the individual fields, or at a field level. So basically, if we'll talk specification, then you'll have to use F specification inside your RPG or RPGL program. In this F specification, you will be defining these both two types of files. So when actually we will be seeing the record or program specification in detail, we will look into all these steps very precisely and in much more detail. So as of now, just note down the concept that whatever I am just telling you. Now see, the file that have been defined at record level, for these RPG programs that use that file must subdivide that record into the appropriate fields by using fixed format input for input files, and for rest of the files, output specification will have to be used to define the fields by subdividing the records. And this type of file is what we call a program described file, because you explicitly code the field descriptions in the RPG programs that are to use the file. However, if you break down the file to the field level outside the program that use it, you do not need to code those field definitions within every program that use the file, as the compiler automatically retrieves the definitions into the program. And this type of file is what we call an externally described files, because the field definitions are external to the programs that use the file. The field definitions are a part of the file object itself. Just note one thing: if you are an ILP RPG programmer, then you will usually prefer externally described file over the program described file. However, there will be scenarios wherein user program described files may be preferable, but in the most of the scenarios we usually stick to the externally described file for the reason we already discussed, and we will see this in more detail when we will do some of our hands-on. Now let's see some overview of source physical file. So what exactly is this source physical file? A source physical file is an object which contains the sources of different types of objects. For example, it contains CL source statements, which in turn when compiled gives a CL program. It contains DDS. It contains the sources for an RPG program also, which when compiled gives an RPG program. So basically all the source codes is imbibed within this source physical file. Now what is the creation command for this? The command that you will use in order to create this source physical file will be CRT-SRC-PF. So let's understand this by creating a source physical file in our IBM I series system. So let's suppose I want to create of physical file. First let's use this command crt src pf take f4. Now you can see there are some fields that you are required to fill. What are those fields? First of all, you need to give this file, that is you have to name the source physical file which gonna contain the source code for the desired objects. Then you need to give the library under which this source physical file will be created. Then this is record length. If you can see, if you will just press help button or F1, you can see the default record length is 92 bytes. Okay, and I think it is preferable, you can go, ideal would be to around give it around 132 or so, but in the most of the cases it will do the work. You need to decide as per the scenario what record length would be better suit to your source physical file. So I am just sticking to this 92 itself. This is the member. If you want to give any member pre-hand, then you can just name the member. It will, while creating source physical file, that member will also be created at the same time. So let's create a source physical file named say src Vikas. Let's say I'm using a library. Now press enter. So it said your file src Vikas has been created in library user 353. Let's now how to view this source physical file that have been created just right now. The command to view the source physical file is work mbr pdm. Take prompt, name your source physical file, it's src Vikas. It was in library user 353. Now just press enter. Now because we didn't opt it for any members, so that's why it's showing blank members. However, we can add members to this. How to add members to this? To add members to this source physical file, what you need to do, you need to open the SEU, source entry utility. You can do it either by just typing a command strSEU, press F4, just give your source physical file name, library, and the source member you want to create, and the type. Okay, the same thing can be achieved just by pressing F6. You can see here F6. So press F6 here, and you can see it gives the same prompt. So just I am giving a source member name as say test pgm. Let's say it's type let's say it's an RPGLE program. Now press enter, and you can see it is now prompting for it is now prompting a blank screen when you can type the sources for your RPGLE program. So we'll see more detail on this as we proceed further to our course. I think for now it would be fine till here. Now let's see some of the features that this source physical file has. So as already discussed, we can have one or more members. In fact, we can have up to a maximum of 32,767 members, and I think that's a huge figure. Now, as we already discussed, this source physical file itself is an AS400 object. However, the members that are contained inside this are not an object. This is something that you need to note. And we already discussed the command to view the members is work mbr pdm. How to add the members? By either using strSEU, or you can press F6 on the screen. Okay. Now let's see some of the common naming conventions, or better to say the established convention that source physical file that you need to take care while creating source physical file. It's of course not a hard and fast rule. It will not do any harm as far as your program level or syntax level is concerned, but it helps in uh, organizing your programs or sources in a more better way. So what are the established convention? The first is, if you want to hold the members written in RPG language, then you use the source physical file as qrpg-src. Define a source physical file as qddssrc in case you want to hold members written in DDS. In case your RPG program is a traditional RPG program, that is OPM programs, you can use qrpg-src. Use qclle-src in order to hold the members written in CLLA. And if you want to hold the copybooks, use command qcpy-src. So that's all for the today. I hope you would be very much clear with the topic that we already discussed today. Now in the next lecture we will see the details on different types of database files that we have in our IBM I, and we'll do a couple of hands-on so as to make the topic more clear. So thank you for the timing, and bye bye. Happy learning.